Allah doesn't get tired. Allah doesn't get fatigued. Allah doesn't sleep. Ibn Kathir mentions, he says, you know, some Jews, they came to Musa alayhi salatu wassalam, and they asked Musa, they said, oh Musa, does Allah sleep? So Musa asks Allah, he says, oh Allah, do you sleep? So Allah answers Musa. He says, Musa, tonight you have to stand the whole night, and you have to hold 2 glass bottles, and you can't sleep. So Musa, being a prophet, he does as instructed. He stands up holding his 2 glass bottles. The first part of the night passes by, his eyelids are getting heavy, and before the night could finish, he fell asleep, he falls to the floor, and the glass bottles come crushing down. So the angels, they returned to Musa and they said, oh Musa, if Allah was to sleep but just for a moment, the 7 heavens would come crushing down onto the earth like your bottles smashed the floor.